The question is, write the equation for the reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid and balance the equation. So first half. So first of all, let us write the equation. Zinc plus HCl gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Here there are two hydrogen atoms, two chlorine atoms, but there is only one chlorine atom and one hydrogen atom. Means, so number of atoms on both sides are not same. This type of equation is called a skeleton equation. And we have to balance the equation as per the law of conservation of mass. So while balancing a chemical equation, you should not change the subscripts. So if you change the subscripts, what happens? Let us see. This is carbon monoxide, this is carbon dioxide. So what is difference here? Here subscript is 1, here subscript is 2. One oxygen atom, two oxygen atoms, right? When one carbon atom, one oxygen atom are combined, it is carbon monoxide. One carbon, two oxygen atoms, it is carbon dioxide. Entirely different compounds. In a chemical reaction, we should not change the compounds. Instead of that, if we change the coefficient, so here it is 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, and if you write it simply CO2, this is 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. If you write 4 here, 4 molecules of carbon dioxide. We are not changing compound here. Same like mathematics, I think you know the difference between x, 2x, 3x, 4x, same like that. 4x means there are 4 x's are present. Now for balancing, we have to change only the coefficient, not the subscript. We call this as a subscripts, right? So like this, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 chlorine atoms, so together means 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorine, means if you write here 2, so 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines, 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines, balanced. So this is called a balanced chemical equation. After balancing the chemical equation only, we have to understand the chemical equation, right? So here coefficient of zinc is 1, means 1 mole. Here coefficient of HCl is 2, means 2 moles. Here 1, here 1, so 1 mole, 1 mole. So we have to understand we have to interpret the chemical equation only after balancing. Here 2 moles of hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid gives 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Why we are concerning about this only means we have a question. According to the question, find out the number of molecules of hydrogen gas produced in this reaction when 1 mole of HCl completely reacts at STP. It is a very simple question. As per the balanced chemical equation, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid gives 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So if you take this half, think naturally, this is some quantity of hydrochloric acid, it is zinc metal, some quantity. Moles means some quantity. So if you take 2 moles of HCl, you get 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So 1 mole means half. If you have 2 moles, you get 1 mole. That here also, if you take this half will be produced. And he gave here 1 mole of HCl completely reacts at STP. So completely, as I said here, so it will give half mole of hydrogen gas. And also you should know that at STP, especially at STP means at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters, and 1 mole of any substance, whether that is STP or not, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Particles means they may be atoms, molecules, or formula units. Right? But at STP, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. We have to remember these two. Right? Now what did they ask here? We have to calculate number of molecules of hydrogen gas. So as per our discussion, 1 mole of hydrogen gas contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen molecules, right? 1 mole of hydrogen contains these many molecules. Then half mole of hydrogen contains, do half it, 6.022 divided by 2. So we should not do anything this, we should divide this. If you divide 3 1s are 3, this point 3 0 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen gas will be liberated. This is by simple thinking, simple interpretation of the balanced chemical equation. If you don't want to follow like this, we have another method. Our next method will work for any problem you like, whatever the problem might be. By writing in this way you can calculate. First of all, balance the chemical equation. After balancing, again you have to interpret, but you have to interpret in such a way that asked in the question. Here you don't write here this, you write this in rough somewhere here. That should not be included in the problem. So they gave HCl in moles and asking hydrogen in number of molecules. This is called relationship, moles versus number of molecules. This relation, first of all, you should find out whether mass, moles, mass, volume. You have to find the first of all relationship, right? So they gave HCl in moles. They are asking one. They are saying 1 mole of HCl. So quantity given, the quantity of HCl given in moles, and they are asking hydrogen in number of molecules. So it is moles versus number of molecules. So here write moles only. According to the balanced chemical equation, 2 moles of HCl gives 1 mole, no? But here we need number of molecules. Right here number of molecules is 6.022 to the number of 23. If they are asking volume, write here volume. For 1 mole 22.4, for 2 moles 22.4 into 40, whatever it may be. So according to that we have tried. According to the balanced chemical equation only we have tried. 2 moles 1 mole, 2 moles number of particles, moles particles, moles particles, number of molecules. So now first one you should write according to the balanced chemical equation. Next one according to the question. 1 mole of HCl gives how many hydrogen molecules, right? 1 mole of HCl gives how many particles of hydrogen gas. Write like this, x for that. Next what you write, next what you do, x by this. It is just direct proportion. X by this is equal to 1 by 2, 1m by 2m, right? This by this is equal to this by this. X by 6.022 into 1023 is equal to 1 by 2. Direct, no? If you are writing this by this by this. If it is indirect, if you are writing this by this, you write this by this. This will be in the direct proportion. Direct proportion means if you take more HCl, more hydrogen gas will be produced. So that is direct proportion. If you take more, if it is produced less, you should go for indirect proportion. Very simple again, 1 by 2. Again same 6.0, this in denominator, other side it will multiply 6.022 into half. So if you divide this, you get 3.11 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2 will be produced. H2 hydrogen molecules will be produced. It is simple problem. Thanks for asking.